Vice President Barack Obama tiniyak na pagbubutihin ang nasimulang programa matapos ang muling pagkahalal bilang Pangulo. Ang ulat mula kay Von Aquino.
Muling nagwagi bilang Pangulo ng Estados Unidos si Barack Obama. Nalagpasan ni Obama ang kinakailangan 270 electoral votes upang matalo niya ang Republican presidential candidate na si Mitt Romney sa pamamagitan ng pagwawagi sa mga crucial states ng Ohio at ang tinatawag na swing states ng Virginia, Nevada, Iowa at Colorado. Sa kanyang talumpati sa Chicago, muling nangako si Obama na mas pabubutihin pa ang mga nasimula ng kanyang administrasyon kasabay ng paglilinaw na hindi magiging madali ang pagbabagong hinahangad.
Tonight, in this election, you, the American reminded us that while our road has been hard, while our journey has been long, we have picked ourselves up. We have fought our way back. And we know in our hearts that for the United States of America, the best is yet to come.
Muli ring binigyan din ni Obama ang main theme ng kanyang kampanya na patas na oportunidad para sa lahat. Pinasalamatan naman ni Obama ang kanyang mga taga-suporta, kabilang na ang kanyang may bahay at mga anak.
I believe we can seize this future together because we are not as divided as our politics suggest. We're not as cynical as the pundits believe. We are greater than the sum of our individual ambitions, and we remain more than a collection of red states and blue states. We are and forever will be the United States of America. And together, with your help and God's grace, we will continue our journey forward. And just why it is that we live in the greatest nation on earth. Thank you, America.
Sa kanya namang concession speech sa Boston, binati ni Romney ang kanyang katunggali, kasabay ng paghiling sa lahat na ipagdasal ang tagumpay ng muling nahalal na Pangulo.
I have just called President Obama to congratulate him on his victory. His supporters and his campaign also deserve congratulations. I wish all of them well, but particularly the President, the First Lady, and their daughters. This is a time of great challenges for America, and I pray that the President will be successful in guiding our nation.
Sa kanyang pagkapanalo, muli na namang nakagawa ng kasaysayan si Obama dahil sa malaking botong nakuha nito laban sa kanyang katunggaling si Romney. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Von Aquino.